In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add running text in Wix. Full 2026 step-by-step tutorial. Running text, sometimes called a marquee or ticker, is perfect for announcements, promotions, or quick highlights that need motion to grab attention. I'll walk you through the exact path to add it in Wix and share simple tips to make it look clean, readable, and on brand. Start by heading to your Wix account. From your dashboard, choose the site you want to work on so you're editing the correct project. Then select Design Site to open the Wix editor. Give it a second to load the canvas and toolbars. Inside the editor, look to the left toolbar. Click Add to open the full menu of elements you can place on your page. Next, choose Text. This reveals all the text types and presets available in Wix. Within the text panel, find the Running Text category. This is where Wix keeps the scrolling text options. Browse the presets to pick a style that matches your site's vibe. Some are bold and attention-grabbing, others are minimal and understated. Click the running text preset you want and Wix will drop it onto your page. Double-click the placeholder to replace it with your message. Keep your copy concise so it's easy to read as it moves. If you need multiple items to scroll, separate them with a clear divider like a dot or vertical bar. With the element selected, open its settings and design options. Here you can set the direction of the scroll, adjust the speed, and control spacing so the loop feels smooth. Aim for a speed that's readable without feeling sluggish. Too fast and people miss it, too slow and it drags. Style the font, size, and color so you have strong contrast against the background. If needed, give it a subtle background strip to guarantee legibility. Position the running text by dragging it where you want it. Top banner for announcements, mid-page for highlights, or near the footer for ongoing updates. Use the alignment guides to keep it centered and consistent with your layout. Make sure it doesn't overlap buttons or crucial content, and keep the height compact so it doesn't dominate the page. When you're happy with the placement and styling, click Preview. Watch a full cycle of the animation to confirm the pacing, check that any links inside the text work correctly, and see how it feels with the rest of your design. Also glance at the mobile preview to ensure it's still readable on smaller screens. If everything looks good, you're ready to move forward and publish when the rest of your changes are finalized. That's all you need to add polished running text in Wix, from selecting the element to fine-tuning and previewing for a smooth, professional result.